Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A6275A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel up front, especially when coupled with this black paint. It really makes that chrome stand out. Alloy wheels, those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. The center console does fold up and become a third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. You have a Chevy bed liner, keeping the bed very safe. And then you also have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.